Hello everyone, this is Simran Singh from Housey. Are you also looking for a property which has great connectivity in Thane extension? So here I have come up with a great connectivity property by Godrej Property named as Godrej Upwan, which is at a distance of just 2 minutes from Samruddhi Mahamarg. In this video we are going to be covering the following points, which includes project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, pre-launch discounts, offers and many more. But before that, let me give you an introduction of Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with developers, thereby giving you bottom rate pricing. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you inquire once, your number is shared with multiple brokers, which may lead to many calls. But now you don't need to worry anymore because Housey is here where we connect you directly with builders. So buy your dream home directly with builders only on Housey. Talking about project overview, so this project is made on a land parcel of 20.4 acres where 11 acres is going to be dedicated for Godrej Upwan with 6 towers, ground plus 32 residential floors with configuration of 1 and 2 BHK. As you can see, I'm standing at the main gate. Right behind me is the actual tower. You can also have a look at the neighborhood. This road leads you to Samruddhi Mahamarg. Talking about the connectivity of this project is located at a distance of just 5 minutes from Samruddhi Mahamarg. Upcoming metro station is at a distance of just 2 minutes and Mumbai-Nasik highway is at a distance of just 2 minutes. Upcoming malls, school, colleges, hospitals, all within a radius of just 1 to 2 kilometers. Talking about amenities, this project has 50 plus luxurious amenities which includes clubhouse, multi-purpose court, swimming pool, kids play area, banquet hall and many more. Talking about carpet area, this project has two configurations where 1 BHK ranges from 360 square feet to 465 square feet and 2 BHK ranges from 540 square feet to 680 square feet. Talking about booking process, a EOI window is now open. Clients are requested to come and visit the site where a sales team will help you with the complete project details, will also help you with the actual flat and the sample flat, will also help you with the payment and EMI scheme, and then if clients like the project, they can move ahead with the EOI amount. The EOI amount for 1 BHK is going to be just 50,000 and 2 BHK is going to be 70,000. So everyone, this was the project overview of Godrej Upwan by Godrej Properties located in Thane Extension, Kalyan. To get more information about this very amazing property, do download the e-brochure given below, and to know more about such amazing properties, do check the icon button. Also do like, share and subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.